The metal which liberates hydrogen from hot NaOH, zinc, copper, silver, iron. Correct answer is zinc. Zinc reacts with NaOH to form sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Others don't react with NaOH. So A part is the correct answer. A compound which is yellow when hot and white on cold, the compound is aluminium oxide, lead oxide, calcium oxide, zinc oxide. Correct answer is zinc oxide. Hydroxide which is soluble in excess of NaOH solution is copper hydroxide, ferric hydroxide, chromium hydroxide, zinc hydroxide. Correct answer is zinc hydroxide, which dissolves to form NaZnOH 4 times, which is also called sodium zincate. Copper hydroxide does not dissolve in NaOH, ferric hydroxide does not dissolve, even chromium hydroxide does not dissolve in NaOH. So D part is the correct answer. The color of zinc sulfide is yellow, white, brown, black. Correct answer is white. B part is the correct answer. Yellow is CDS. Black we have plenty. CUS is black in color. PBS is black in color. HGS is black in color. NIS is black in color. Cobalt sulfide is black in color. The compound which is widely used as white pigment is PbCO3, Al2O3, zinc oxide, calcium carbonate. Correct answer is zinc oxide is added to white pigment because it forms zinc sulfide, which is white. Corrosive sublimate is HgCl2, Hg2Cl2, Hg2Cl, Hg2Cl3. Corrosive sublimate is HgCl2, that is mercury chloride. Hg2Cl2 is called calomel, and these are not the correct formula. Calomel is the name of HgCl2, Hg2Cl2, HgCl2 plus Hg, Hg2Cl2 plus Hg. Correct answer is mercurous chloride, B part. That is called calomel. It is also used as reference electron. And HgCl2 is corrosive sublimate. Which of the following compound is used as purgative? Cuprous chloride, cupric chloride, mercurous chloride, mercury chloride. Mercurous chloride is used as purgative. Purgative are the medicines which are used in case of constipation. MgSO4 can also be used as purgative. In the reaction SnCl2 plus mercury chloride, A plus SnCl4 is formed. A is mercurous chloride, mercury, HgCl and HgCl3. Correct answer is mercury. Here stannous chloride is acting as reducing agent. First it reduces mercury chloride to mercurous chloride and further react with SnCl2 and final product is mercury. So mercury is formed and Sn itself gets SnCl2 gets oxidized to SnCl4 because Sn plus 4 is more stable than Sn plus 2. So here correct answer is B part. In the reaction HgCl2 plus Ki gives A plus KCl, HgI2, K2HgI3, K2HgI4, KHgI3. Correct answer is K2HgI4, which is called Nessler reagent. In first step, we get mercuric iodide, which reacts with excess of Ki to form K2HgI4, which is called Nessler reagent, and it gives reddish brown precipitate with ammonia and ammonium ion, which is called iodide of Milan base. So reddish brown precipitate is due to iodide of Milan base. This compound is called Nessler reagent, which is potassium tetraiodidomercurate 2. Zinc carbonate is precipitated from zinc sulfate solution by the addition of sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. Correct answer is sodium bicarbonate because here we get zinc carbonate plus carbon dioxide plus water will be formed. We don't use sodium carbonate because sodium carbonate is alkaline in nature. When we put in aqueous solution, it will form sodium hydroxide also, which reacts with zinc carbonate to form zinc hydroxide. So we'll get mixture of zinc carbonate and zinc hydroxide. That's why we use sodium bicarbonate, where we get zinc carbonate only and we get CO2 and water. So D part is the correct answer. The compound among the following which sublimes on heating: mercury chloride, silver nitrate, zinc nitrate, mercurous chloride. Correct answer is mercury chloride. It can sublime, that's why it is called corrosive sublimate. In Nessler reagent, the active ion is Hg plus, Hg plus 2, Hgi2 minus, Hgi4 2 minus. Correct answer is D part because this is a complex ion It is tetraiodide two ion, which is active species in Nessler reagent, which reacts with ammonia and ammonium ion to form iodide of valence base. Sulfide ore of zinc is concentrated by froth flotation, electromagnetic process, gravity process, distillation. Correct answer is froth flotation process, because sulfide ores are concentrated by froth flotation process. White vitriol is ZnS, ZnSO4, ZnSO4 into 7H2O, and ZnCO3. Correct answer is ZnSO4 into 7H2O. It's called white vitriol. Zinc reacts with caustic soda to form sodium zincate, zinc hydroxide, zinc oxide, zinc hydride. Correct answer is sodium zincate Na2ZnO2. A part is the correct answer. And if we add excess of water, we'll get Na2ZnOH twice, OH 4 times. Sodium tetrahydroxozincate. Mercury is transported in the containers of silver, lead, aluminium, iron. Correct answer is iron, because it does not form any amalgam with iron. With other, it can form amalgam. Mercury on heating with aquaresia gives mercurous nitrate, mercury chloride, mercuric nitrite, and mercurous chloride. Correct answer is B part, mercury chloride. In aquaresia, we get nitrosyl chloride, that is chloride. Chlorine is the active species which reacts with mercury to form mercury chloride. The formula for hematite is Fe3O4 is magnetite, Fe2O3 is hematite, FeCO3 is siderite, and FeS2 is iron pyrite. So correct answer here is B part. Iron is extracted from hematite, magnetite, iron pyrites, chalcopyrite. Correct answer is hematite, because hematite is found in maximum amount in India. That's why hematite is used for extraction of iron.